Influence here, and today I got the Flash from McFarlane. It's a 1/6 scale figure, I believe. Yeah, it's a 1/6 scale figure, and just showing the box a little. Show how he comes. Flash is one of my favorite characters in DC. So I saw this on sale and I bought it. I probably wouldn't have bought it for the original price. I forget how much it was in each instance, but I think I remember seeing the original price and was like, oh no, because I knew what it was going to kind of be. And I see some stuff that I don't like the spaces in his body in order to add the lightning. Let's get this open and talk more about it.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So here he is out of the package without any of the lightning on it. I don't know, I would like it like this if it didn't have these gaps where you put the lightning. It would be fine like this, but there's actually another place too, a piece of lightning that goes here and goes in his foot. So it does stand up like this though. If you want to, you could probably commission some plastic pieces to cover it up. So let's just go ahead and put the lighting on. I think this goes in his foot. There is no directions, and I think you can find a picture on the web, but I do think this goes in his foot like that, and then there's a hole under here that goes in to this peg, and then you can actually put his foot into this peg. Then you got that. Now let's figure out these there's 3 others. Oh, looking online, his arm has this one that's kind of like around it. So I think it goes like this and then pegs in up here like that. There we go. And then this goes around his leg. Let me try to figure out which way it goes. Maybe this goes around his leg like this and then goes here. This, I know I'm destroying this right here. Just about, kind of. I don't know, because like I said, on all of the pictures I've seen that have this gap here, and I know there's 2 different ones of these. This of course is the movie, but I did like it because it doesn't have an extreme likeness to a dude. See his face. Right. It seems right, but again, this slash right here wasn't in the pictures I've found. Oh wait. Oh, okay. Y'all are probably laughing at me because I did not see this one over there. So this looks like is what goes on the back of the leg, because it has a big one too. So this would be like this, maybe. Yeah, so this one is up here like that, and I have not seen this one on the pictures, so maybe that's why. And this goes here. But what is this for? Is there any other? Oh, there's a, okay. Did not see that. Incompetence. Like this. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on it. But that's what I have. I'm not sure if that's correct or not, but that's what it looks like with his lightning bolts. And I think it's pretty cool. Also comes with a card, of course. Got some bio back there, data file. It's the end of this review because it's just, I mean, it is what it is. It's a nice little cool piece. Like I said, I think it was 50 bucks regular, and I got it on sale. I can't remember how much, but I wasn't too thrilled with the $50. I didn't think it was worth it, but it depends. It just depends on you. Watching this review is concluded, and I will get up with you in another one.